Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today I'm excited to share my honest experience with a product I recently got for my home and garage setup, the S98 metal garage storage cabinet with 2 doors and 5 adjustable shelves. This is a 71-inch tall steel locking cabinet that's designed for multi-purpose storage, whether you need it in your garage, office, gym, school, or even in a home workspace. So, I've been using this cabinet for about a month now, and I'll be straight with you, I was actually surprised at how solid this thing turned out to be. I originally bought it to organize some tools and seasonal gear in my garage, but once I set it up and saw how spacious and sturdy it was, I ended up ordering another one for my home office too. Let's break down everything you need to know based on my real-world use. First off, the build quality. This cabinet is made from cold-rolled steel, and it feels super strong. The body is heavy-duty, and the powder-coated black finish not only looks sleek but also helps prevent rust and scratches. I've moved it around a few times and even bumped it while loading heavy tools, and there hasn't been a single dent or paint chip. So in terms of durability, it's a winner. Now let's talk assembly. I know that putting together furniture can sometimes be a nightmare, but this one was honestly manageable. It comes flat-packed, so yes, you'll need to assemble it. But the instructions were clear, all the screws and parts were properly labeled, and I was able to do it solo in about 90 minutes. If you have someone helping you, it'll go even faster. One tip though: use your own screwdriver or power drill for faster assembly, because the little wrench they include isn't the best. The 5 shelves inside are adjustable, which is a huge plus. I've stored everything from power tools and boxes of nails to cleaning supplies and even some heavier stuff like car fluids and weights. Each shelf holds up to 120 pounds easily. The adjustability is nice because you can customize the spacing depending on whether you're storing small items or large boxes. Another standout feature is the locking system. The cabinet comes with a built-in lock and 2 keys. The lock feels solid and secure, not one of those cheap locks you see on lower-end cabinets. I personally store some expensive tools and sensitive documents, so knowing I can lock it up gives me peace of mind. Space-wise, this thing is tall and roomy. It's 71 inches high, about 32 inches wide, and 16 inches deep. That might not sound huge, but it actually holds a lot more than you'd think. In my garage, I was able to get rid of 2 plastic storage bins and a wire rack, all of it consolidated into this single cabinet. Let's talk about looks for a second. Most garage or office cabinets aren't exactly pretty, but this one actually looks modern and professional. The matte black color with sleek handles gives it a clean industrial vibe. I've even had visitors comment on it when they saw it in my office, asking where I got it. Now, what about stability? Once assembled, the cabinet stands firmly. It has 4 leveling legs that help keep it stable even if your floor isn't perfectly even. Mine is on a slightly sloped garage floor, and it hasn't wobbled once. If you're concerned about tipping, like if you have kids or pets, you can anchor it to the wall for extra safety. It comes with brackets for that too. In terms of what I didn't like, honestly, not much. If I had to nitpick, I'd say the doors can feel a bit stiff when you open them the first few times. But after some use, they loosen up nicely. And like I mentioned earlier, I recommend using your own tools for assembly because the included ones aren't very sturdy. So to wrap things up, would I recommend the S98 metal garage storage cabinet? Absolutely. Whether you're trying to organize tools in a garage, files in an office, or cleaning supplies in a school or gym, this cabinet handles it all with ease. It's sturdy, secure, good-looking, and offers a lot of value for the price. If you've been looking for a reliable, lockable storage solution that doesn't cost a fortune but still feels premium, this one checks all the boxes for me. I've used it enough to feel confident recommending it. Click the link below for the best price, and trust me, this is one of those purchases that will instantly make your space feel more organized and professional. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more hands-on reviews like this one. See you in the next video.